What's up with it, y'all? It's your boy PJM, and I'm back with another So Sweet Sundays exclusive food review. We're here at Urban Plates, man. We get up in this thing and we check out the menu. Man, it was crazy. They had a plethora of things, but first I wanted to take a look outside and see the outside seating. They got plenty of outside seating. You see the little dope little fire pit out there, so you can go out and enjoy yourself, depending on what time it is, sit by the fire. They got some little fire heaters out there for you so you can stay warm. Swerving, I don't want it if it ain't urban. Swerving, I don't want it if it ain't. So like I was saying, we get in this thing and we check out this menu. This menu was ridiculous. They had all kind of salads. That's wine for all of you drunkies out there. Just joking. They had desserts. This I didn't try. I didn't know what that was. I'm not really a chocolate fan. That I didn't try, but this I got. And it was pretty decent. I liked it. I wanted to get this mango tart. I don't know why I didn't get it, but we'll get that next time. Swerving, I don't want it if it ain't urban. Swerving, I don't want it if it ain't urban. Swerving, I don't want it if it ain't urban. Swerving, I don't want it. And so they had these big old giant cookies. This one is called the Urban Cowgirl cookie. This one is the chocolate chunk cookie. They hecka big, y'all. So if you like cookies, it's dope. They got a bunch of seating on the inside, and you don't have to wait. You can go straight in, jump on this thing right here, order your food, and go ahead and do it that way if you don't want to wait in line. All right, so we get into these drinks. They got the pineapple coconut, the green cinch limeade. They was pretty good, and they also had the organic lemonade. They had the organic ginseng mint green tea. I mean, that's my beautiful lady right there. That's me. You understand what I'm talking about? They got this QR code, so when you order your food, you scan that QR code, and they bring it straight to your table. And I went to the restroom to wash my hands real quick and saw this dope wall, this little picture with teacups on there. And I came back from washing my hands, buzzed down lamb sitting there with the turmeric rice, buzzed down mac and cheese with the buzzed down sandwich. My daughters, they got the blackened salmon. Now, they said it was pretty good. My daughter, she liked weird stuff like beets and goat cheese. I don't know why she got that, but they said it was good. I wasn't eating it. Now, you see, we got the mushrooms on deck. We got the turmeric on rice on deck. We got the mac and cheese on deck, the potatoes on deck. My wife got some shrimp and mashed potatoes. Now, let's jump straight into these meals.
I don't regret it. The blackened salmon.
My daughter, she enjoying her blackened salmon. My baby girl here, she enjoying her blackened salmon. They both got the same thing, so.
Some good flavor.
They was feeling.
Oh, that's him.
How you like it, Dad? Yeah, my son trying his mac and cheese. We're gonna see what he think about it.
The mac sauce is good.
Yeah?
Premium.
Creamy?
Not salt.
Now you know it's the queen turn.
A little salt. A little salt.
Okay, potatoes was good. Now it's my turn with this lamb. Lamb? Oh. Our lamb on schedule. We're gonna try the turmeric rice. Turmeric rice. Oh yeah. Bust in. Get that bread. Can't forget the bread. It came with the little sauce with the lamb and everything, so that was platinum. And as you can see, it's gone. Well, y'all know what time of the review it is, right? Fire. It's time to get to that jingle. I told you if your stuff is good, when we come to your hood, I'm making a jingle. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. Swerving, I don't want it if it ain't urban. Swerving, I don't want it if it ain't urban. Swerving, I don't want it if it ain't urban. Swerving, I don't want it if it ain't urban. Swerving, I don't want it if it ain't urban. Swerving, I don't want it if it ain't urban. Swerving, I don't want it if it ain't urban. Swerving, I don't want it if it ain't urban.
Lamb over rice with the black and salmon. And we eating top notch, this ain't no top ramen. I'm still swerving my plate urban. This food bomb like Saddam in the kitchen working. With the whole gang, take a picture. Don't got this shirt on, we ain't with you. I found a restaurant I could trust now. And a pineapple drink bust down. We was running up a tab on a Sunday. I might double back again on a Monday. You gotta come to Urban Place to get it in. And if you never heard of them, where you been? Swerve. urban. I don't want it if it ain't urban. Swerving. I don't want it if it ain't urban. Swerving.